Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial 2 different ways to save your emails on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access through the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, the first way to save an email within your account is to click on the email and then drag and drop this to the desktop. So now the email itself has been saved directly to the desktop. If I were to, let's just say, close out of Outlook, go to that email we have saved on the desktop, right click, open with Microsoft Outlook. This will now open up that email itself on screen for us to then re-forward, reply, move to another folder if we wish to. We don't have to directly go into our email to complete those tasks. So we can now close this email itself, go to the desktop, delete the email, as we want to replicate this process again through another way. Let's go back to our inbox. Let's now click on the email, go to the navigation toolbar on top, go to File, go to Save As, and now we will be prompted to save this email via Save As, where to the desktop, click on Save. Let's now go to the desktop, and there we go. Let's now quit Outlook for the moment, go to the desktop, right click your digest email, open with Microsoft Outlook, and there we go. The email itself has now opened up on screen without the requirements to open up the full application. So we can now close this. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.